Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and I need your help. I need your help. I've been watching, excuse me, this ATS-25 or ATS-25 radio for months, and I've watched a lot of videos. Most of them are old, and I'm so confused because it's got various firmware, various versions, all different prices. I am so confused, so I need your input. If you got any information or suggestions, please leave a comment. This one, for instance, and this is on Amazon. This is upgrade version 5.2A X1, $135. It's got 4 out of 5 stars. Not bad. Yeah, come down here, and here's one for $118. Doesn't say what it is. This says ATS-25. Yep. Okay, here's another X1. Doesn't say what version of software. $119. Here's another one. ATS-25 Max. What the heck's that mean? Here's another Max. Here's an A Max. Jeez. Okay, then there's another one that I think is the latest one. Is this one here, which is the X2, and it has Wi-Fi. I'm not sure what the Wi-Fi is used for. Maybe just upgrading the firmware. Look at the rating. 3 out of 5. You know, this seems to be the latest. I bought radios from this company. They're a newer company on Amazon. But if you come down here and look at the comments, where are they? Down here someplace. Where are the comments? Oh, geez. Here they are. Fails to update firmware. Product is still the 2022 firmware. So it's got old firmware. Got the Wi-Fi to work. Okay. So he gave it 5 stars. Wi-Fi pointless. No manual included. So it's all over the place. So I'm looking for your inputs. I even did an internet search and found it, excuse me, on this website, which I haven't been on in years, AliExpress, and they have the X2, notice it has the other antenna, for only $82 and free shipping to the United States. So that's maybe $40 I would save, but somewhere it says estimated delivery August 21st. So I'm too impatient to wait that long. Here's one for $75. We just see what it is. This is the upgrade. It says upgrade. What's that mean? I am so confused. Anyway, if you can help me out, please leave a comment. Like I say, I've watched a lot of videos. Most of them are older, and most of them are very confusing. But it looks like a neat little radio. Lots of functions. Anyway, have a great day. Bye-bye.